demonstrating strawberry parfait. There are two types of frozen dessert. First is a churned frozen dessert and second is a still frozen dessert. And strawberry parfait belongs to still frozen dessert. Strawberry parfait is very easy to make. Let's check the ingredients. For strawberry parfait, we require 3 egg yolk, 70 gram castor sugar, strawberries 100 gram, semi-whipped cream 200 gram, water as required, red color as required, strawberry sauce, add half of the strawberry, one tablespoon castor sugar and some amount of water. Add color as required. Our strawberry sauce is ready. Then transfer your sauce in another pan and cool it. Beat the egg yolk. Make sugar syrup by adding sugar, 20 ml water and half teaspoon of glucose syrup to avoid crystallization. Cook it until soft ball stage. Once you reach 115 degrees Celsius temperature, you will get soft ball stage. Our sugar syrup is done. Now add it into the egg yolk mixture. Now our sabayon is ready. Now fold semi-whipped cream into the egg yolk mixture. And make sure check the temperature of sabayon. It should be not more than 40 degrees Celsius. Add this mixture into the rest whipped cream. You can add half teaspoon of vanilla essence to cut down the egg yolk flavor. Keep this mixture in the fridge to chill down for 15 minutes. Now add rest of the strawberry into the cooked strawberry sauce. Mix it. After chilled down, take Parfait mixture into the piping bag. Use chilled glasses. Add some strawberry sauce in the bottom. Then pipe it. Tap a little bit. Again add some strawberry sauce. Again pour some mixture of Parfait. Tap it. We can make another style. We can add some strawberry sauce in that. Mix it. Another chilled glass. Add some Parfait mixture. Some strawberries. Again, one more layer of Parfait mixture. Strawberry sauce. You can check the layers of strawberry Parfait mixture and strawberry sauce. Keep these glasses for at least 1 hour in the freezer to chill. After 1 hour chilling, just garnish some chocolate and fresh strawberries. Our strawberry parfait is ready to serve.